Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my Scientific World channel. Today I'm going to discuss the most important topic. So before watching the video, please subscribe our Scientific World channel. So let's start. Classification of matter. In this video, we will talk about those categories in which matter is classified. First of all, we will see that what is matter. As we all know that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now, classification of matter. Matter is classified into two classes, pure substances and mixture. And the pure substances are further classified into compounds and elements. And the mixtures are classified into homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Let's suppose the example of air. In air, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and other gases are present. So, air is a mixture. But all of these components, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen, these are pure substances. Now, we will see that what is pure substance. A pure substance is that substance that has constant composition and properties. Means in pure substance only one kind of particle is present. Next is elements. Element is that pure substance that cannot be broken down by ordinary means. For example, when we see the periodic table, all of these are elements that are arranged in the periodic table. Next is compounds. Compound is that pure substance that contains two or more different elements in a fixed proportion. The elements are chemically bonded. For example, in water, two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, are present, and these two elements are chemically bonded and form a compound. Here are the examples of compounds. First one is water. As I have told you that there are two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. And next one is NaCl, in which Na means sodium and Cl means chlorine. That are two elements that are combined and form a NaCl, means compound. Next one is C12H22O11. There are three elements, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And all of these are chemically bonded and form a compound. Next one is atoms. A particle in an element and the smallest unit of an element. Means atom is the smallest unit of an element and atoms combine and form an element. Next one is molecules. The combination of two or more atoms. Means when atoms join together, then they form a molecule. Here you can see carbon dioxide. When carbon and oxygen, two atoms combine, then they form a molecule. That is carbon dioxide, which is gas. Next one is mixture. Mixture is that substance that contains two or more different pure substances. Means when two different substances combine, then they form a mixture that are not chemically combined. Means these substances are not chemically bonded. Components can be separated by physical means. For example, filtration, evaporation, distillation. Means when two components combine with each other and are two substances combine and form a mixture, then these substances can be separated by different methods. For example, filtration, evaporation and distillation. Next one is homogeneous solution. Actually, homogeneous mixtures are solution. When two substances combine with each other and these substances can't be seen with eye, then they form a homogeneous solution. And a mixture that has uniform composition is known as homogeneous solution. Next is solute. The particle that is present in smaller proportion is solute. For example, when we start to make a solution, then that particle that is available in small quantity, and this is called solute. Next one is solvent. The particle that is available in larger proportion is solvent. Means uh, when we start to dissolve the sugar in water, then the sugar is solute and the water is solvent, and the solvent dissolve the solute. Next type of mixture is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is that substance in which the different components are identifiable. Means when two different components combine with each other and form a mixture, then we can identify these two components. And heterogeneous mixture has two or more phases, while homogeneous mixture has only one phase. Let's suppose the example of water and oil. When we mix water and oil with each other, then we can identify or we can separate these two components. So it is a heterogeneous mixture. Next one is suspension. Actually, suspension is the type of heterogeneous mixture. In this, when two components combine with each other, then these two components or particles can be seen with unaided eye. Means when two components combine with each other, then these two components can be separated by gravity. For example, when we mix sand in water, then after some time sand will move downward and form a layer due to a high density of sand. Next is emulsion. Emulsion is similar to suspension, but the difference between emulsion and suspension is that in the emulsion, two liquid components mix with each other, while in suspension, any two components can be mixed or combined with each other. These two components may be liquid, may be solids, and maybe gas, etc. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my Scientific World channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for careful listening.